What's up, guys? Welcome back to Death by Boost. So I made some modifications to my car recently, and you're gonna like them. So, line lock, so now I can lock up the front brakes, make my life a little easier while doing burnouts. Got the handbrake over here now, so now I can do some drifting. These guys here, I want you to guess what that's for. Please comment below on that. That's in the future video. I got stainless steel lines everywhere, front and back. So we're gonna give this guy a test out. We're gonna make sure this line lock is doing what it's supposed to do. So we're gonna do a good old garage burnout. And then after the garage burnout, just for fun, we're gonna shatter some wine glasses with this nasty two-step if you guys haven't seen that before. So let's get to it. Oh my God. All right, guys, you ready?
We're gonna do a burnout in the garage. Test out Greg's new line lock.
So that didn't work out according to plan. The brakes didn't hold 100%. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. However, the concrete in here it's pretty grippy compared to most garages. Usually they're polished. So I started to push past the brakes. So I'm gonna make some adjustments there, but you're gonna wonder why we're wearing these.
Gotta protect our ears on this one. So we actually have the two-step turned on, and we are going to be breaking some wine glasses.
Not one, but two.
Two wine glasses. So we have two exits on Frankencart. Actually, technically three if you're counting the wastegate. But we know the pressure coming out of these is crazy. If you haven't seen our other two-step video when we actually made this work, you should go check that out. Let us know if you think right here if the wine glasses are going to break or Frankencart's going to fail. So tell us. Comment down below.
Yep, hit the pause button, comment.
Yeah, exactly. Hit the pause button, comment.
Yep.
And
here we go. Let's make some noise.
Ears on.
Ears on. Now we gotta shut the door, so we've already made enough noise for the neighborhood.
Everybody's already looking out at us, so we're like, oh, well, we're gonna do this, so. Look at that, camera recording camera. Live shot on live shot. Got our camera here, another GoPro here.
All right.
We have 5 GoPros, using 4. Trying to use every GoPro we have.
Ready?
Are you ready? This is gonna get freaking super loud in here. All right. Check. It's way bigger, but I didn't do it.
Okay. Did it fall over?
One did. The other one I think popped. Well, that was fun.
That was fun. Didn't break like we wanted to, but they both broke. So it counts.
It counts. We're trying to be a little easy with Frankencart's timing, just because it's a brand new engine, and we're getting ready to go run it this next week at the track. So,
hey, it's shot fire, so you can't go wrong with that.
So, well, anyway, guys, we hope you liked what you saw today.
Yep.
If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything we've talked about or want to know more, comment down below. If not, we'll catch you next time. See you soon.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.